In this facility, the raw beauty of a diamond is revealed through meticulous cutting and polishing.
This facility operates under the highest security clearance. Every corridor is monitored, utilizing biometrics.
Is the initial stage of sourcing. The sealed parcels arrive directly from the mines and must be meticulously inspected before the sorting process can begin.
As we pan across the surface, notice the trigons and these small carbon inclusions, revealing the diamond's natural crystalline structure.
After transferring the diamonds to the sieve, we place them in the ultrasonic cleaner. This ensures all rough surfaces are
We evaluate renate diamonds based on the internationally recognized 4C principles: cut, clarity, color, and carat.
So based on the location of this inclusion, the optimal strategy is a step cut here, avoiding the major fracture plane shown on the screen.
So the first step is sorting by size, as you see here. Then we examine clarity. This one has slight inclusions, placing it in the VS2 category.
This station allows us to create a precise 3D map of the rough diamond. We use a high-resolution scan to identify.
We use the volumetric data to simulate the ideal cut. The system calculated that a round bridge highest return.
The success of any complex project hinges on precision planning. It ensures that every cut, every movement is executed flawlessly.
The precision here is paramount. We are working at a microscopic level, so the laser alignment must be absolutely flawless to maintain the integrity of the cut.
The laser is now fully engaged in the separation stage, precisely slicing through the diamond. As the
blade makes contact, the tension builds. Then, precisely along the crystal plane, the control.
During the post-cut evaluation, we meticulously check the kerf and the surface finish. As demonstrated here, the cut quality meets the required specifications.
These brooding machines utilize intense friction, spinning the diamonds at high speeds until they achieve the perfect symmetrical shape for the girdle.
The key to the round Brilliant is the precise grinding of the girdle against the wheel, establishing the circular profile you see forming here.
You see how the calipers fit perfectly now. This balance is crucial, otherwise the vase will wobble when it spins faster or collapses in the kiln.
When cutting the pavilion, the angle must be perfect. This allows total internal reflection, maximizing the light.
As you can see, the precision angle control ensures that every facet is cut to the exact specifications required for optimal light refraction.
To achieve maximum brilliance, we meticulously cut each crown facet. This process, known as bluting.
The precision of the facet alignment is critical for maximizing optical performance. As the diamond rotates, notice color.
The polishing process is crucial. It removes imperfections and prepares the metal for the final stage.
The key to a diamond's brilliance lies in the precision of the polish. This facet is atomically smooth.
Reducing the pressure now. This is crucial for preventing swirl marks and hologramming on delicate paint finishes.
As we remove the surface, we remove the internal exterior.
The residue removal process begins with a high-pressure solvent wash, followed by an ultrasonic cleaning cycle to guarantee every facet is pristine.
The internal characteristics conferred a VS1 clarity. The cut grade is excellent, ensuring maximum brilliance and fire. Here we observe the dramatic effect of internal light refraction. The separation into spectral colors is known as fire. As you can see on the screen, the digital scan measures symmetry with micron-level precision, highlighted here in the color-coded 3D model. The role of certification is crucial. It provides an unbiased assessment of a diamond's quality, assuring confidence for both the buyer and the seller.
First, the clarity. We use the microscope to locate any inclusions. Next, we check the color, ensuring it's within the D to Z range.
This diamond is exactly 1.5 carats. Carat weight is crucial as it directly impacts the diamond's rarity and value. The relationship between carat weight and value isn't linear. A larger stone, like this 3-carat one, is exponentially more valuable because of its rarity. Each of these diamonds is laser inscribed with a unique certification number, allowing us to trace its journey every step of the way.
The laser inscription on the girdle clearly reads IGI A91372. This unique number positively identifies.
As we zoom in, the intricate nature of the cuneiform script becomes clear. This level of detail is impossible to.
The diamonds are secured in tamper-evident bags.
Each seal is inspected before placement in the reinforced titanium case.
By simply scanning the QR code with the tablet, the tracking system updates the inventory in real time. It's that simple.
This certification number, 743B, is critical. It directly correlates to the entry here in the secondary.
Our commitment to value protection is unmatched. As you can see, every asset stored here is secured by biometric.
This tablet allows us to track stock levels in real time. Remember to verify the quantity against the physical count before confirming.
The audit confirms full compliance. Note the golden seal and the authorized signatures on this page, verifying adherence to all standards.
Let's write this.
The next stage is crucial. We carefully select each stone based on the design specifications and begin the intricate process.
The diamond market is typically segmented into two main applications: gem quality for jewelry and industrial grade for abrasive uses.
The flawless, mirror-like finish on these edges is achieved through a meticulous, multi-stage polishing process, showcasing our commitment to quality.
We've run the final diagnostics on this component. The tolerances are well within acceptable limits, ensuring peak performance in the field.
Under the diffused floodlight, we see the brilliance. Now, as the spotlight sweeps across,
This macro view confirms the exceptional brilliance. The fire and scintillation are exactly what we look for in a triple excellent cut.
the approval criteria hinges on the 4 C's: cut, clarity, color, and carat weight. As you can see, we are now securing the primary container within the armored transport. Latching sequence engaged. The manifest is signed digitally. The integrity of the chain is maintained through this serialized bolt. Furthermore, as we demonstrate here, any attempt to remove the label.
Once cleared through security, shipments move directly to the loading bays. This is the critical distribution stage.
We must reinforce continuous production. Keep the line moving. We are already behind schedule.
Here in the north, the water runs turquoise, and the mountains stand as silent sentinels over the vast forests. The diamond cubic lattice is a recovalently bonded atoms.
we arrange the tools precisely to ensure seamless workflow continuity as we transition to the next stone.
The key to our productivity is the seamless system integration. Every component, from the robotic arms to the laser guidance, is centrally managed.
In courses. While automation handles the repetitive tasks, the final inspection requires the irreplaceable human touch.
The diamond is perfectly secured in its case. It is now ready for presentation.
GIA standardized diamonds using the 4 C's: cut, clarity, color, and carat weight.
This ensures global consistency in valuation.
Optical quality refers to how well a diamond handles light. A superior cut results in this mesmerizing display of brilliance and vibrant fire.
This digital approval ensures full traceability. Every step is logged securely, providing an immutable record for origin.
The vault utilizes a multi-stage locking procedure. Once the main wheel spins, the bolts secure the entrance.
From the mine to the market, every diamond must be meticulously tracked. The demand globally remains incredibly strong.
We verify the authenticity through the raised seal and the embedded hologram. And finally, the UV markings confirm it's legitimate. Industrial discipline isn't just a concept here. It's the foundation of our process, ensuring flawless execution at every stage. From the mine to the market, our value chain ensures complete transparency and ethical sourcing every step of the way.
You can see the cut is absolutely flawless. We've maximized the fire and brilliance. It is now complete and ready for its setting.
Here in the main nexus, we see the culmination of decades of research. This line operates 24 hours a day.
We begin with this rough cut, straight from the mill. And through several stages of sanding, we achieve this incredibly smooth finish that you see here.
Behold the transformation. Raw power refined into perfection.
The kitchen operates at a relentless pace. Here, Chef Anna transitions from sauté to the...
Yes, this diamond is flawless. It passes inspection.
Redefining brilliance sustainably. This is the Matera Lab difference.